Welcome back, guys, to my third UG video. Right now I'm going to be attempting to get the golden cowbell and maybe kill some bosses. I don't know, but I'm just going to be attempting to get the golden cowbell. So yeah, let me just get my dino. Let's get that. Okay, so I'm going to go and open some crates first. And then I'm going to kill out 3 to 4 cows. I doubt we're going to get the egg, but it would be nice if we could, because quite low on bones. It's just because I recently unlocked the Gatling gun, and I kind of wasted all my bones on that, so now I only have 800. So it would be very helpful, but yeah, let's just try to get the golden bell. I think there's 2 guaranteed spawns. I think there's one here, and then if I just fly over, no golden bell. Has Big Bessie spawned? No. Guys, my sub goal is around 10 subs, because I only have 1 right now, sadly. But my sub goal is 10, so yeah. I think there's one more by... There's one here, and there's... I think the last guaranteed spawn is by the small pig area. I may as well just kill some cows now. Just get these. No golden bell. Oh, guys, by the way, the ones with horns, I believe are... Wait, no, hold on. I think... Yeah, those are the only ones that hit you across the, like, map and stuff. They aren't the ones... These aren't the ones that hit you. Use them as my shield. We got that cow skull, but nothing. It'd be really crazy if we just got the golden bell. Come on. Last cow. Oh, he got bounced off. Okay, we didn't get the one from killing cows, but I think there's a few more crates left. I'm also gonna check if the Tyrannosaurus spawned. It is quite easy to get lost in here. No, he didn't spawn. He didn't spawn yet. Where's the small pig area? Where is it? Oh, 2 crates there. Let's get them. That was quite a rare crate. Oh, so was that one. Just feed these to my dino. Whee! Eat it, boy. There you go. Okay, now let's go. Right, guys, I'm gonna go to the pig map and like the small pig area, and I'm gonna end it there. Where is it? Wait, where is it? Oh, it's somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. Right, let's get this. Right, sadly, guys, we didn't get the golden bell, but we tried. If you guys don't have the golden egg already, I posted a video of a tutorial to get it, so if you want to go ahead and watch that, you can. And make sure to sub and like, please. Okay, Big Bessie unspawned, yeah. Guys, how many apples is it for the cheese and stuff, XP stuff to spawn from Bessie? How many apples do you guys have to feed her? I believe it's 30, I'm not quite sure, but where's my camera? It should be around here, I'm guessing. There it is. Right. Right, guys, sadly we didn't get the golden bell this time. I don't know if that's attempt 1 or attempt 2, but we sadly did not get the golden bell. So yeah, remember to like and sub, and thanks for watching.